Have you ever wondered why some people succeed after years of failure, while others give up just before their breakthrough? In a quiet village, an old gardener planted 2 seeds. One grew into a beautiful flower within weeks. The other showed no sign of life. Days turned into months. The flower bloomed brightly, filling the garden with color. But the second seed remained hidden beneath the soil. The villagers laughed whenever they passed by. "Why do you keep watering empty ground?" they asked. The gardener simply smiled and replied, "Not everything grows at the same pace." A full year passed. Still, nothing appeared. Then another year. Many people believed the seed had died. Even the gardener's friends advised him to stop wasting his time and water. But every morning, before sunrise, he continued to care for the little patch of earth. He believed that something important was happening beneath the surface. 5 years later, something incredible happened. A tiny green shoot finally emerged. Within just a few weeks, it grew into a tall bamboo that reached far above every other plant in the garden. The villagers were amazed. "How did it grow so fast?" they asked. The gardener smiled. "It didn't grow in a few weeks," he said. "It spent years building strong roots underground. Without those roots, it could never have stood this tall." The same is true in life. When you study, work hard, or chase a dream, it may feel like nothing is happening. Others may move ahead while your progress seems invisible. But every challenge teaches you something. Every failure strengthens you. Every patient step builds roots that no one else can see. Success isn't always about growing quickly. Sometimes it's about growing deeply. So, if you're working toward a dream and haven't seen results yet, don't lose hope. Keep learning. Keep improving. Keep showing up. Your roots are growing, even when no one notices. And one day, just like the bamboo, your growth will surprise everyone, including you. Life lesson: great success often begins with invisible progress. Be patient, trust the process, and never give up before your roots become strong.